Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Derek Collins here to give you 5 ways to have a successful private practice working with court mandated clients. So, if you're ready to get started, let's go. So, number one, you want to have a great location. Yes, location is everything. You want to have a great spot that's on a main street. I always like to have my office on a main street where everyone knows where I am. Very important to have a great location. Ideally, of course, you like to have it next to a probation office or the courthouse, but a great location on a main street will do. All right. Number two, you got to have awesome customer service. Yes, you want to have great people answering the phones, and when people come into your office, that they get a great experience. You don't want them to feel like they're in the probation officer's office. So when they call, you greet them with a smile. They need to be able to see the smile over the phone, or at least hear the smile. You guys get what I'm saying, all right? Customer service, guys, they have the right to go to any provider that they want to. So you want them to come to you and give you their money, right? They want to pay you, and that's why you're in the business, to get paid. So if you want to get paid, greet them with a smile, give awesome customer service, okay? You also want to give great classes. Yes, great classes, and get your evals done in a timely manner. You'd be surprised how many people do not answer their phones in this business. Answer your freaking phone, guys. If you want people to come to you, answer your phone with a smile. Also have great classes, and also get your evaluations done in a timely manner. So when probation requests your evaluations, you have everything done. Okay? Number three, flexible schedules. Yes, you want to have flexible schedules because, hey, we have people that need different classes at different times. You would be surprised of how many people that need morning classes. We get a lot of people that take our morning and afternoon classes. Everyone does not take classes at night. Some people work at night, so they need a morning class, and vice versa. So please have flexible schedules. Number four, alternative formats. Yes. So you want to be able to be flexible once again and have classes live, classes via Zoom, or online classes. There's so many different ways you can do it, but you want to have all the options available so people can come to you and pay you for your service. And number five, marketing. Yes, marketing. You need flyers, brochures, you want to build relationships with probation officers, and of course you want to be shown on Google so people can find you, and of course lunch and learns. And you know what? Why don't you guys just book a call with me and I'll coach you through the whole thing, all right? So if you want to learn how to have a great court mandated program or a great private practice working with court mandated clients, call my office 404-503-8069, or just go to courtmandatedtraining.com, watch the webinar, sign up for one of my packages. I'll be happy to coach you. Get on a call with me. I'll tell you what you have to do, how to get started. This is for LPCs, LCSWs, LMFTs, anyone that's licensed, that's in private practice. I can show you how to make a great living doing this work. So if you're interested, call me. Let's get you started, and I look forward to working with you guys.